Mind is your superpower. It can take you to the success and to the failure too. Choice is yours, what you gonna choose. So, I'm a cbse 11th grader, a commerce student. On this video, I will show you how I reframe my brain to make my morning into a productive one. सो सुबह की स्टार्टिंग होती है 4 बजे उठ के एंड जैसे कि आप लोग को पता है कि अभी ठंडियों का मौसम चल रहा है तो सबसे पहले मैं अपना स्टडी स्लॉट स्टार्ट करता हूँ एंड अभी मैं अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स का चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर रहा हूँ जो कि है फंक्शन लिमिट एंड कॉन्टिन्यूटी ये दोनों ही अलग चैप्टर हैं एंड ये मैंने लास्ट नाइट को स्टार्ट किया था बट आई वॉज अनेबल टू कंप्लीट दैम सो आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग विद दिस and like ये काफी easy है just I'm attending the lecture as you already know that I have taken the commerce PW wala batch so I am attending the lecture from it and then I will practice few questions from ML Agarwal. So after doing a bit of studies with this, like with this chapter, I will do some practice more. But before that, before I go to solving more questions of it, I want to keep myself hydrated. So first step in the morning, I always make a lemon water for me. Like ये काफी ज्यादा important रहता है क्योंकि the normal water do not have electrolytes and lot minerals like उसमें minerals बिल्कुल ही नहीं होते like जो आप अपने जो फिल्टर्स हो गए या आरओ से आप वाटर पीते हो उसमें बिल्कुल ही मिनरल्स नहीं होते दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ड्रिंक दिस लेमन वाटर सो इसमें मैं लाइक नॉर्मल बॉइल वाटर या वार्म वाटर और सिंपल वाटर along with a lemon and some pinch of salt so that इसमें इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स हैं तो उसके साथ स्टार्टिंग करता हूँ देन अपना मैं सेकंड स्लॉट स्टार्ट करता हूँ जिसमें मैं अभी पढ़ रहा हूँ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स लाइक अभी तक मैंने स्टैटिस्टिक्स स्टार्ट नहीं करी है लाइक कुछ ही चैप्टर स्टार्ट करे हैं उसके 1 2 3 आई गेस बट आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद अ कॉस्ट which is coming in my exams so like they are in a couple of weeks after so I have to prepare for them too so अभी मैं कॉस्ट वाला चैप्टर कर रहा हूँ एंड ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा इजी एंड छोटा है एंड अलॉन्ग विद दिस अ रेवेन्यू चैप्टर भी है जो कि मैं ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ एंड कॉस्ट चैप्टर में मेनली जो भी है वो लाइक बेस्ड ऑन ग्राफ्स एंड कुछ डेफिनेशंस हैं एंड एवरीथिंग इज इजी लाइक माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में इट्स होल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ ग्राफ्स सो अभी जो हमारे एग्जाम्स होने वाले हैं वो 50 मार्क्स के हैं एंड सबसे पहले जो मेरा एग्जाम है वो अकाउंटेंसी का है सो आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ दैट लाइक आई एम नॉट टेंस विद दैट बट अभी भी मेरे को उसके प्रैक्टिस करने हैं क्योंकि डेप्रिसिएशन आ रहा है बीआरएस एंड एट द सेम टाइम एरर एंड रेक्टिफिकेशन जिसकी तो लाइक बैंड बजी हुई है क्योंकि लाइक अभी जस्ट मैंने उसका लेक्चर अटेंड किया है कुछ दिन पहले एंड आई हैव टू डू लाइक मोर एंड मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ इट जिससे वो अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो जाए उसमें थोड़ी बहुत डिफिकल्ट लाइक उसके रूल्स डिफिकल्ट नहीं है बट उसकी लैंग्वेज थोड़ी डिफिकल्ट है जिससे समझ नहीं आता है कि हो क्या रहा है उसमें सो आई हैव टू डू दी प्रैक्टिस ऑफ इट लाइक आई हैव अटेंडेड समवॉट अराउंड 5 to 6 lectures of it. I don't remember how many lectures have been recorded and been posted on PW batch, but I've watched all of them. So I have a good practice, but I need to practice from book too. सो देन उसके बाद से हमारा है अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स का बट फॉर दैट वी हैव 1 day gap like in other subjects we haven't like given any of the gaps but उस समय like I guess एक हॉलीडे है सो उसके लिए हमें गैप मिला है अदरवाइज सभी के लिए कंटिन्यूस में हमें करना है सो जस्ट कंप्लीटिंग दिस कॉस्ट चैप्टर विच इज इजी एंड काफ़ी बढ़िया तरीके से सर ने समझा दिया है इसमें लाइक बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजी है एंड मैं भी 2x पे देख रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव द टाइम एंड लाइक ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स स्कूल का टाइम काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेट हो जाता है सो इट्स लाइक 8:30 आई हैव टू रीच टू स्कूल 8:30 सो काफ़ी बढ़िया रहता है मॉर्निंग का टाइम अभी के लिए क्योंकि आई हैव lot of things to do and I can complete under that time. So I always try to study for 2 hours till 6. Then I go to do some exercises and other things too. So the first thing in the morning, sorry, the second thing, obviously that's the second thing. So I do that is making my bed. I have to do it early, but due to the cold, I was like wrapping myself with the blanket, so I was unable to do that. So अभी मैं अपना पूरा बेड अच्छे से सजा रहा हूँ एंड सजा तो क्या ही रहा हूँ बट अच्छे से साफ कर रहा हूँ इसको एंड अभी काफ़ी अच्छा उजाला हो चुका है बट इट्स नॉट लाइक प्रॉपर काइंड ऑफ ब्राइटनेस नहीं आई है अभी भी बाहर एकदम कोहरा जैसा हो रहा है फॉगी फॉगी इन्वायरमेंट है Like subah, I guess I have like seen most of videos on YouTube and other thing. Like it's important to make your bed in the morning because it builds discipline inside you, and it's really important because you know in the morning everyone go with very fast pace that they don't look after the things remaining with them. So this build patience inside you when you do some task, even if you have something that's more important, like more crucial, but you do this, it's build patience. So वही मैं try करता हूँ कि यार every time to be patient and to be disciplined, working working hard for my goal. So after completing this, I always go out to have a fresh air. Like I live around the city, so like even though I don't get the fresh air, but I try to move out so that I can have a pretty much good walk. लाइक अभी काफी ज्यादा बढ़िया वेदर हो रहा है, लाइक रियली अमेजिंग, काफी ज्यादा ठंडी हवा चल रही है एंड इवन अ गुड वाइब इट इज गिविंग. तो आफ्टर टेकिंग अ गुड वॉक आउटसाइड मैं ऑलवेज ट्राई करता हूँ कि कुछ पेजेस पढूं बुक के. ऑल्दो आई डोंट हैव द फिजिकल बुक, लाइक आई फॉरगॉट टू रेंट इट. लास्ट टाइम आई read a book that was from Jay Shetty, like I think like a monk. If you heard about it, let me know in the comment section. So I read lot of pages of it, but उसकी फिर डेट आ गई थी, आई हैव टू रिटर्न बैक. सो अभी रिटर्न कर दिया एंड लाइक ऑन सम स्पेसिफिक डे ओनली वी कैन इशू द बुक ओनली ड्यूरिंग आवर लाइब्रेरी पीरियड. So I did that, but I don't have it right now. I'm going to issue it again. So currently, that the book that I'm reading is The Art of Explanation. I guess somewhat like this. I don't remember the name right now because I'm doing the voiceover. So this is what the book I'm reading. It's really good because in this world we don't know how to communicate. It's not all about gossiping or talking with your friends. It's about how you can articulate your words and express it to the people so that they can believe in you what you are really saying. So it's really a strong power that you have of convincing. So it's not all about this, but a lot other things. So I'm going to read it and will reveal to you what's inside it. So like I'm really interested. To be very honest, I usually read books, but if they don't give me really interesting vibes, I do read few pages, then I try to end it half completed. So that's was like how I read few books, but I am trying to complete this fully. So this like my task is to complete this for this month or maybe 2 months because I don't really get the time, but I try to do it. After completing few pages of the book that I've assigned for me as the task of the day, so after doing that, I always try to keep my body active. Like after shifting to a new place, I'm really out of my shape. Like I don't really go out to play. Usually it's on Sunday that I go to my old house where I play with my friends. But now here I don't get that time really, and even there is no garden or park outside so that I can play sports, any kind of. So usually I do exercises at home so that to keep my body physically engaged and so that I don't, get cramps or any physical tensions. So that's why I prefer to have some morning stretches. But although I don't have the time right now because I get late as I was trying to push myself in studies. So that's why I don't have time. So I will just, try to do the meditation, which is something that is crucial for our health and mind too. Like we can maintain discipline, but that discipline will be only for few days until and unless we try to manage our mind. So I always say mind is your game, like it's a temple run and you are the controller. So how you control is what we like actually have all these things. So it's really important to keep your brain healthy so it will be always, move towards a goal to achieve it. So I always try to keep my brain healthy too by doing some meditation. Although it's pretty much difficult to concentrate for a few minutes, I always try to, improve myself every day a bit. So fix the alarm for 2 minutes, then I will try to increase it to like 3 minutes, 4 minutes later after. Then, having done with all the tasks for the day, I pack my bag, and right now I'm keeping the accountancy book and few other books and hobby. Like I usually don't go with all the subject books because they are very heavy, big in size and weight. So I have discussed with my friend that we are going to bring separate books so that we like usually we sit together so that we can share those books. So he bring like mostly he bring business studies and accountancy, and I like very often go with accountancy, microeconomics, or statistics. So right now I'm keeping few copies of microeconomics and BST because we have to bring them like doesn't matter, you are saying to your friend that bring all of these, but you have to bring the copies because they are very necessary. And teacher get angry a lot when you don't bring. And English is go to, like, we have to bring, because our English teacher is like have a very mind that gets swing anytime. So he always make us sit single. So, we have to bring the book. Otherwise, we have to go to the principal office, which don't really look nice. So after, like after keeping all my books, I always check whatever the tasks I have to do of the day. Like I usually remember them, but to make myself motivated, I have started a 7 days challenge in which I am trying to build the consistency. I will show you the like page or picture of it after I completed, and I will show you how much I have done, whether I was successful, whether like I was able to build the consistency. I'm trying to complete that and was trying to move out of the distraction that I have in daily. So I always try to keep that page with myself and to see it regularly so that I don't get confused. Like, most of the people just wait and think what they have to do. Just better to list some tasks for the day so that you can complete them without, thinking about what you have to complete. So after doing all of these stuff, I get ready for the school because I'm getting late right now. So, and even I take a lot of time to get ready. I don't know how. So, just quickly wrapping up with all the things and then taking a look out of my nearby area, like around the house. So, I usually walk there until my van arrive to take me. So, this is how I'm ending my morning routine. Hope you like it. Hope you get something from it. It's really important just to not take this video as a motivation. Try to build consistency and discipline in it because all these two combine together and form the success. So go for the success, not for a short term and temporary motivation. Achieve your goal, be hustler, be in discipline. Hope you like it. Have a great day.